Hello student, welcome back in the video session classes. Today I discuss mail merge for class 7. Mail merge. Mail merge. Chapter number 3, class 7. Topic introduction part. Introduction part. My dear student, first of all, this mail merge, this chapter is related in the mail merge in MS Word, not for the Excel. First of all, what is the mail merge? Mail merge consists in combining mails and letters. Mail merge consists in combining mail and letters. Anybody asked that what is the mail merge? So mail merge consists in combining mail and letters. And pre-addresses envelopes or mailing labels for mass mailing from a form letters. Again I repeat it. Mail merge consists in combining mail and letters and pre-addresses envelopes or mailing labels for mass mailing from a form letter. I hope everybody understand. Mail merge consists in combining mail and letter and pre-addresses envelopes or mailing labels for mass mailing from a form letters. For example, in a form letter, you might include instruction to insert the name of each recipient in a certain place. The mail merge would combine the letters with a list of recipient to produce one letter for each person in the list. This is the example. I again repeat, in the particular example I am not write down because I provided the notes in tomorrow. For example, in a form letter you might include instructions to insert the name of each recipient in a certain place. The mail merge would combine the letter with a list of recipients that produce one letters for each person in the list. This is the example of the mail merge. What is the advantages of the mail merge? What is the advantages? What is the advantages? Compared to the process of preparing individual letter to convey one set of information to many people. I again repeat in particular sentence, what is the advantage of mail merge? To compare to the process of preparing individual letter. I again repeat, compare to the process of preparing individual letters to convey one set of information the many people. Mail merge save time and effort. Main advantage, mail merge save time and efforts. Producing mail merge complete with label or envelope. This is the advantage of the mail merge. Type of the mail merge. Type of the mail merge. There are the four mainly type of the mail merge, but I give to the one question, and the every student please send the which type of option is related to the mail merge. First, there are the four type of mail merge. There are four type of mail merge. First, form letters. Comma, directories, comma, catalogs, comma, and envelope. This is the first option. Form letter, directory, catalog, and envelope. Second option. Form letter, again form letters, comma, envelope, envelopes, comma, envelope and mailing label. Envelope and mailing label, comma, directories, comma, and list. See, the first option, there are four type of mail merge, but there are four type of the mail merge, but you choose which type of the suitable answer in related to the mail merge. See, basic letter, comma, envelope, comma, letters, and list. Letters and list. Note four types. This is the four option. Four option of the member. Which option is the right and suitable in the member? And the option number D. Again form letters. Again form letter, comma, envelopes, comma, mailing label, and catalog. Catalog. I again repeat, in the particular question there are the four options of the member. The first option form letter, directly, catalogs and the envelope. Second option form letter, envelope and mailing label, directory and the list. The third option basic letter, envelopes, letters and list. The fourth option form letter, envelopes, mailing labels and the catalog. Which suitable option is related to the member? This is the question. My dear student, component of the member. This is not of the part of this chapter, but you study in the member. To every student, you remember how many component of the member. My dear student, there are two component of member. First component, form document. And the second component is a data file. So how many component of member? First form component and second data file. What is the form component? Form component, it is generally the document that containing the main body of the message we want the convey or send. I again repeat, what is the form document? The form document, it is generally the document that consists the main body of the message we want to convey or send. What is the data file? So this is the where the individual information or data that need to be merged to the form document is placed and maintained. I again repeat, what is the data file? Data file, this is where to individual information. This is where to the individual information or data that need to merge to do the form document. Form document is placed and maintained. This is the data file. I have already discussed what is the member, what is the advantage of the member, what is the component of the member, and this question every student please write down in this particular question and send my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.